Embark on an aerial adventure with the 5 best drones of the year. From stunning footage to cutting-edge features, these flying marvels will elevate your experience like never before. Get ready to soar and see the world from a whole new perspective. Number 5. DJI Avata Pro View Combo Drone. Introducing the DJI Avata Pro View Combo, the ultimate first-person view drone. Experience the thrill of flying with intuitive controls, capture ultra-smooth 4K footage, and enjoy 18 minutes of flight time. DJI goggles too provide an immersive sensory experience. Get ready to elevate your aerial adventures with DJI Avata. Number 4. Potensic Atom Southeast Combo GPS Drone. Introducing the Potensic Atom Southeast Combo GPS Drone, a portable marvel with a 4K camera and 62 minutes flight time. Its Shake Vanish tech ensures smooth images, while Sport Mode offers thrilling speed. Enjoy FPV transmission up to 4 kilometers and smart features like GPS autopilot. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Number 3. DJI FPV Combo Drone. Get ready to soar with the DJI FPV Combo. Experience an immersive flight with super wide 150 degrees FOV and 4K in 60 frames per second video. As mode offers dynamic FPV footage effortlessly, while advanced safety features ensure a worry-free flight. Enjoy HD low-latency transmission up to 6.2 miles. Elevate your drone game with this must-have quadcopter. Happy flying! Number 2. DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo Drone. Introducing the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo, a drone that takes your aerial photography to new heights. With a 1-inch image sensor, 5.4K and 30 frames per second video, and master shots for cinematic sequences, it's a game changer. Focus track keeps your subject in the spotlight, and obstacle sensing ensures safety. Enjoy clear transmission up to 7.5 miles. Elevate your drone game with DJI Air 2S. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Drone. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, the ultimate lightweight 4K HDR camera drone. With 38 minutes flight time, true vertical shooting, and resistance to 38 kilometers per hour winds, it's perfect for adventurers and creators. Capture stunning moments with ease. Upgrade your aerial photography game now. So that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Check out the products links in the description below for more information. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way soon.